Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa. If you haven't been here before, today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with my Boxycharm items that I got yesterday, and I'm going to be trying them out, seeing what we think about them, and if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to take off my glasses and put on my ears. And I did my brows with my e.l.f. brow pencil in neutral brown, and prime my eyes with the ColourPop Creme Shadow in Laurel. So we can go ahead and get into the eyeshadow palette. Alright, I'm going to take Forehead Kisses right here, and I'm going to put that in my crease. I don't know how much it's going to show up, but there isn't really a transition shade that I like in this palette for what I want to do. I'm going to take the color Yawning right here, and I'm going to put that on my outer corner. Alright, now I'm taking Fresh Face right here, and I'm going to put that on the other half of my lid. Taking a cotton round with some micellar water, and I'm going to clean up any fallout and all my edges. I'm going to take the Milani Soft Focus Glow Complexion Enhancer. And I'm going to use that as my primer. I'm taking the Alma Beauty Say What foundation in Fair Lady TC1 or T1C. And I'm just going to pump that onto my brush because it's super liquidy. And then pat it out on my face. I'm taking the Age Perfect Radiant Concealer by L'Oreal in 200 Ivory. I'm going to blend that out with my concealer brush as always. I'm going to set that with the number 7 powder in light. I'm just putting a little bit of powder, not a lot. Alright, so I'm taking the Real Her Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio. And I'm going to take the bronzer shade, which is right here, and I'm going to put some color on my face. I'm going under my chin and down the neck. Oh, I didn't even notice they got names down there. The bronzer is called Incredible, and I'm going to take the blush called Blessed. And I'm going to put that on my cheeks. And now I'm going to take Goddess, and I'm going to put that on the high points of my face. Going over my brow, over the other brow, down the nose, Cupid's bow, and the chin. Kind of liking this little trio. Looks really good on. Now I'm going to take Yawning right here, and I'm going to put that underneath my lash line, or on my lash line. And now I'm taking French Doors right there, this lighter purple, And I'm going to put that on my inner corner. I'm going to throw on some Thrive mascara and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm taking the Sol de Janeiro, what is this called? Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cupuaçu Lip Butter in Soulmate. I'm going to put that on my lips. Kind of smells like oat milk cookies. Alright, and I'm taking the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist Setting Spray. And I'm going to spray my face. Feels really good. Nice aerosol spray, light spray. Alright guys, that is the look. This is the final look. And I wanted to go over some of the products that we played with today. The Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. I really enjoyed playing with this. I don't know if I showed it to you guys in this video anyways. But it's really, really beautiful. The only issue I had was it didn't really have a transition shade. That I like a transition shade that's a little bit darker than my skin tone. This one was close to my skin tone. I would have liked it to be a little bit darker, but it worked. So I really enjoyed the shades that I used. The Yawning shade was really pigmented. The Fresh Face was really good. It went on just perfectly, creamy. And so was French Doors that I used in my inner corner. So everything worked perfectly. They're beautiful, pigmented, and the shimmers are creamy. So everything that I expect out of a palette. The Real Her Ultimate Glow Getter. I really liked these. They're pigmented. Really pretty colors. The bronzer was a great color for me. The blush as well, a real pretty shimmery, well, that's the highlight, but it is a little shimmery, but not super sparkly or glittery, just has kind of a sheen to it, and it's a beautiful color. And the highlight just looks gorgeous. So I'm super excited about this trio and I can't wait to play with it some more. The next thing is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cupuaçu Lip Butter, however you say that. And Soulmates is the color. This is a real pretty shade. It's very, very moisturizing. I can tell that it's conditioning my lips. I like that it has a little bit of a tint to it. And it feels really, really good. So And it reminds me of oatmeal cookies. I don't know what it is, but the smell of like homemade oatmeal cookies, that's what it smells like to me. And I don't know what it is in there that makes it smell like that, but I like it. So that's a winner. And then the spray, I really enjoy the spray. We'll have to see about the longevity because it says that it sets makeup for 16 hours. I probably won't have my makeup on for 16 hours, but we can at least kind of see what it does in the time that I do have my makeup on. But it's real refreshing. I like the sprayer on it, the mist on it, and it's pretty easy to use. I don't know. It's a good setting spray so far, as long as it keeps my makeup set and refreshed. Oh, and I wanted to show you guys, these are my Deathly Hollow earrings that I got. You know, I got the sorting hat, and then I got the Dobby ones. My daughter stole my Dobby ones. She's wearing those today. And got a little 9 3/4 little earrings, and then the Deathly Hollows. I'm really enjoying these. They're really pretty. So those are the sorting hat I've worn so far, and I really like them. They're not heavy, so you can hardly tell that they're there, but they hang down long enough. I'm enjoying them a whole lot. And I got them on Amazon was where I found them. But that's all the products that we tried. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all. I hope you are staying happy, healthy, taking care of yourselves, and I hope you have a great rest of the day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.